Here we have a 2025 Hilux SR model. This particular one is a 48 volt, fitted in black, water resistant canvas, front and rear. So we'll start with the front pair. We have separate headrests. Seat covers are custom made to the Hilux N80 seat. As I mentioned, it's a 48 volt model, so we'll talk about the back seat being different. Rick, Black Bears Australia, once again has option embroidery on the front pair as well as the back. We'll check that out in a sec. Bonus center console in matching water resistant canvas. Being an SR model, has height adjustment, manual height adjustment driver's side, left open with the seat covers installed. Airbag provision on the door sides of both backrests. Seat covers have a full backrest back, but you can also option open mat pockets if you so choose. Now we move on to the rear seat. So it's a 40/60 base, one piece backrest, 3 headrests and armrests. So this is a 48 volt model, so the 60 side doesn't lift up that easy. Our seat covers make allowance for the bases to be separate 40 and 60 base, and if we supply one, in other words mail it out to you, then we actually also supply fitting instructions how to lift that base to access underneath to fit the seat cover and put it back down again. So the battery underneath that seat is dodged around with our seat cover fitted. 40 side now folded down. So now we got the center armrest. So armrest with the drink holder still open, still functional. 3 separate headrests. And as mentioned, Rick has optioned the embroidery in the back seat as well.